Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. There is a big breaking news which is coming here from Accenture. Accenture has started sending examination mail, right? Okay, I will give you the complete information. So now you can book your slot, right, for the examination. So please choose your slot by 23rd of Feb, 5 p.m. Friends, yesterday I had uploaded a video on Accenture hiring, right? So Accenture is hiring 2023 and 2024 graduate for the SASA and PADA role. I will give you the complete clarity about that. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel, because we really put a lot of effort in bringing a small information, hiring videos, preparation videos, each and everything we are providing you on this particular channel. So please don't miss it, right? So do subscribe and like the video now. So friends, actually what happened, there are many people who have already applied, so 2023 and 2024 batch, right? So please watch the video till the end so that you will get complete clarity. Also, URL error now you will not get, because in this particular video I have uploaded two links, one alternate link and one is main link, so you will not be getting the URL error. Now 2023 batch and 2024 batch, so there are two openings now, SASA and PADM. So you can check it out. Yesterday I had uploaded a video on our channel. So PADA role, package app development associate, right? So packaged app development associate. So this is for basically BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. And SASA role is for BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, BBA, for all this, right? Okay. Now many other students have already applied, and this particular mail, so one of the 2024 graduate has received it, right? So you can read that. Okay, and before that, friends, also there is one WhatsApp group especially for Accenture. So please do join it, where you will be able to discuss all the queries with respect to Accenture. So please do join the WhatsApp group with respect to Accenture queries and any kind of information. Now Accenture is sending the mail, choose your virtual assessment slot. We are in process of scheduling your virtual assessment as part of our packaged app development associate hiring. Please click here to available slot and choose one as per your availability. So you can click over here and then you will be able to book the slots. So whenever you want to take the examination, and this you can do only by tomorrow 5 p.m. 23rd of Feb, 5 p.m. Now many people applied yesterday, day before yesterday, so you guys will be also getting it. So it's not like everyone will be getting it today itself, and everyone has to choose a slot before 23rd of Feb. No. And friends, how to prepare for this? So this also we have a solution. So we have launched Accenture Crash Course plus 10 free mock test series with live classes, where you are giving so reasoning complete courses with previous year questions, pseudo code concept with previous year question, cloud and networking videos, questions, verbal ability videos, coding concept and previous year question, and plus 10 mock test we are also giving, so that you will be able to write. So we have the test portal, so where you will be able to give the test and you will be able to see how is your preparation. So you can go to our content and then you can see the content, right? So each and everything, even the live classes you can see, right? So live classes also we are conducting it here, we have started already. So there are a lot of content which will be available here. Okay, now so pseudo codes are there, and then right. So if you go back, and we have also covered the previous year question like Accenture paper which was conducted on 1st of September, 5th September, right? So you'll be getting a lot of things over here now. Anyway, so let us come back, link is in description, you can check. So this is the one which Accenture is sending. And also, so if you apply now, you will be getting an email from Accenture, congratulations, you have moved ahead in our recruitment process. So after you apply, the first mail you will be getting this from the Accenture, that congratulations, you have moved ahead in our recruitment process. Thank you for, right? So here you can see, thank you for exploring a career at Accenture. Congratulations, you have advanced to the next stage of our hiring process, and you'll receive further notification on our assessment and its schedule. So ensure you read the instruction carefully before attempting this assessment. Your assessment will be conducted in two stages. So you'll be having cognitive assessment and technical assessment. Then you'll be having coding. So this is for PADA role. For essay SASA role, there will be no coding round. And then communication assessment will be there. Communication assessment is very easy. Okay, so main thing will be your cognitive and technical, where reasoning questions will be asked, and then cloud networking, this kind of questions will be asked. Okay, now so we request every candidate to visit here to learn more about assessment and general guidelines for our hiring process. Now, so friends, if you have applied successfully, then you will be receiving this mail from Accenture, right? So this particular student received yesterday, and he had applied on 17th of Feb, right? So it takes around 3 to 4 days. and then after that you will be receiving this assessment mail. So Accenture has finally started the hiring process again, so it's a good news. So please keep your preparation high. We are there at every stage you require us. So the complete the videos and then each and everything is there. So start your preparation, right? So there are a lot of content basically is there, which you can go through it, and definitely you are going to crack it, I know. Thank you, take care, and all the very best, right? We will meet in the next video. The link will be in the descriptions.